Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome all my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you all. So what we're going to be doing today is a video I was requested to test out these Nail Kingdom tips from TEMU. They're pre-designed French. These are like $4 to $5. And so we're going to try these out, and we're also going to try a new HEMA-free nail glue gel that I ordered off Amazon. So I'm really excited to try that out. And if you're interested, definitely keep on watching, guys. These nails are really nice. So let's start off here. We have the nails in the box. I don't know what 240/300 means, but I guess you get in between that many. I don't know, but these are really pretty. I love the color. These are medium coffins, and they are on sale for $2.50, which is absolutely crazy. So I'm just gonna pull these out and show you guys the look. I'm gonna take out the second sheet because I didn't use those yet. These are really, really nice. You can see through the cuticle, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want for Gel X. I love the shape of the cuticle. I didn't have to do any filing. It's a nice rounded shape, which that's a plus for me. Right here, I'm just going to struggle putting them back in the box. And I'm going to show you the nails that I had sized out for myself right here. So here's just a close-up. Really, really nice matte surface, and I did etch the inside of my tips with my 3mm sanding band and my nail drill. You don't have to do that, but I just wanted better adhesion, so I decided to do that. You can get one of those 3mm, here it is right here, off of Shein or TEMU, which I definitely recommend because it fits into the smaller nail sizes really, really well. And here's just the glue that I'm going to be trying for the first time. It's by HEMA. It's HEMA free, which is super exciting, 15 milliliter, and it's a really nice glass jar. So I'm just grabbing my Flash Cure Light, putting it off to the side. I honestly like my Beetles light better, so I'm probably going to stick to using that from now on. So I'm just going to wipe my nails off with some 91% rubbing alcohol and one of these little lint-free pads, which you can also get on TEMU. And then we're going to get started applying these with Gel X, which I haven't done in a while, so this is very nice. I'm excited. I do have a tiny bit of emery rubber base on my natural nails just because they're so thin from doing them all the time, and I don't want to have to like etch my natural nails all the time, so I did buff over my rubber base coat for some adhesion. I'm taking this nail dehydrator. You can get this on Shein and TEMU. This is just the one I have right now. And I'm just gonna dehydrate my nails. You can skip this step if you're using 91% alcohol, but I like to do both. I just think, you know, why not? Just might as well. But yeah, I'm doing a voiceover, so I've already applied these nails in real life, and guys, these are so nice. You need to check these out. I cannot get over how nice they are and the price of them. Like, I really can't believe it. And they do have different shapes and color options, which is also very nice. So now I'm grabbing my Young Nails Protein Bond, which is a primer. You don't need to use this one. I'm just like testing it out. I honestly only used it one time before. So use whatever primer you have and just prime your nails. I'm gonna do 2 coats of primer, which I don't usually do, but I figured why not. Try not to get the primer on your skin because it does have chemicals in it, unlike the dehydrator, which is more like a rubbing alcohol. So just try and be a little bit careful when applying your primer. And make sure you let your primer air dry for about a minute before you get started. I'm turning on my Flash Cure lamp, so we're all ready to go when the time comes. So what I'm going to do, what I don't usually do, is I'm going to apply a layer on my natural nail first and not cure it. I saw Emily Susanna doing this, and I figured if she does it, I need to try it, and I honestly really liked how it turned out. And then I'm applying some to the underside of the nail, where my nail is going to meet, and putting a little extra blob near the cuticle. The other nails will be in frame better than that one, of course. And then you're just going to want to apply it at a angle starting at the cuticle. Don't like shove it in your cuticle, but just put it close. And then I'm flash curing for about, I don't know, 10 seconds, whatever I feel like, and just to make sure it's not going to move. If you have any spillage, you can clean it up after you've like flash cured it for like 5 seconds, because you should still be able to remove the glue and then continue on. And when I'm done putting the whole hand on, I will do a full cure for 60 seconds in my big nail lamp. You definitely need a big nail lamp. Don't be relying on the flash cure lamp, guys. It's not strong enough. I think these are so cute. I really like the shape of these, the little coffins. I don't know, they look really nice. They honestly look like salon quality nails for $2.50, which is absolutely insane. And I'm really liking this glue. I didn't have any heat spikes with this. I mean, I usually don't, but sometimes I will. And yeah, I didn't like seal in my cuticle after I apply them, but I'm pretty positive you would be okay doing that on these as long as you don't hit the white part. And I did file the nubs off the top of mine where they come off like the form before I started filming, so that's why you don't see me do that step. I did that off camera. Just be careful when you're doing that, because you don't want to make the white of your nails get messed up, because it will file off. So we're just going to continue on here applying these one by one, then fully curing and moving on. So what you're going to need after you're done applying the tips is a builder gel and a top coat. And you can do whatever design you want on these because they're pre-matted on the top, which is super nice. Let me know down below if you use these, if you've tried them, how you feel about them, and also if you plan on purchasing them for yourself. Let me know. I'm very interested. I definitely recommend, guys. And side note, if you have not entered my 500 subscriber giveaway, it is still opened and you can still enter, so go check that video out next when you're done watching this one if you're interested in possibly winning a nice little Gel X package I put together. And the giveaway is opened until May 1st, but make sure you watch the whole video to see what you have to do to enter. It's really simple, but yeah, definitely watch that video in entirety. Also, let me know if you use BT Art Box tips, the pre-French ones, or if you use these, if you use none of them. Let me know your thoughts down below on these pre-designed French tips. They're really nice if you're lazy, which I am half the time. I do really enjoy making press-ons though. Honestly, I just feel like I'm more artistic when I'm making press-ons. I don't know, there's just something about it. I love press-ons. Do you guys love press-ons? Do you hate press-ons? Are you a Gel X girl? Are you a polygel girl? Are you an acrylic girl? Let me know down below. I honestly haven't done acrylic since I was in high school, which was like a long time ago. I was in cosmetology, and I did acrylics while in school, and I liked it back then, but I don't know, I never felt inclined to try it again. I don't know how I feel about my sculpting skills. I mean, I'm sure the more you practice, the better you get. They turned out good back then, but I don't know, more into Gel X, and definitely I am a press-on girl. Look at how beautiful and flush this nail is. These are absolutely gorgeous. I can't get over that you can get these for $2.50. I literally cannot. So here's my one hand done, and we're gonna move on to the next hand, and I'm probably going to speed this up a tiny bit because we're just doing the same thing again, but I did want to include both hands for you guys. So we're just finishing up this last thumb here. I am so happy with these, so happy. If you decorated them with charms and stuff, it'd be so cute. I just didn't feel like doing that in this video because my last press-on set was kind of intricate, so I needed a break here. If you didn't see that video, I tried to do my take on fairy core nails. Definitely go check that out. I think they turned out really cute. So I'm just flash curing that, and then I'm going to fully cure. And here's what we're looking like, guys. Very nice. So we're fully cured. You're going to need a builder gel and a top coat. I don't show myself applying either of those because it's just me painting my nails clear 2 times. So I figured you know how to do that. And here's the finished set, guys. These are absolutely gorgeous. Let me know down below what you think. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.